Measure the battery voltage to ensure it is around 13 voltage. If it is below 12 voltage, recharge it before use. Unscrew the high voltage cap, align the high voltage coil wire with the spark plug, and press the electric start button to check if there is electricity in the high voltage coil. Install the high voltage cap. Unscrew the spark plug. Insert the spark plug into the high voltage cap. Ground the spark plug casing on the cylinder head and press the electric start button to check if there is electricity in the spark plug. Remove the fuel injector. Press the electric start button and check if the fuel injector is spraying fuel normally.